Want to make some fun festive earrings for the holidays? I just made some super cute snowman earrings. Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're going to make some super cute little beaded snowman earrings. They're made with 22 gauge artistic wire and some craft pearl beads. So without further ado, let's get wired. Today's featured live wire is Robin. Thank you, Robin, for sharing your gorgeous bracelets in the Wire Makers Club and for always sharing your amazing jewelry. I'll link up a tutorial for the bracelets in the description below the video. Here's a little sketch of the snowman. So this is the 22 gauge wire. We're going to add our beads, form the arm, add a head, put a little jump ring, a seed bead, make a loop and bring the wire around for the other hand. Here we're starting with 6 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire, and we are going to form the bottom loop. So about 2 inches from the end, form a centered loop. We're going to put a 8mm pearl bead on both of the wires and then the 6mm pearl bead on both of the wires. The plastic beads have a larger hole so they can go on both wires. You can always use 24 gauge if you need. Bend the wire down and put the 4mm pearl bead for the head. From there we're going to make a small jump ring with some 20 gauge black artistic wire. Using your bail making pliers, make a single jump ring, clip the ends flush with your nipper tool or your flush cutters, flip it around and do the other clip. Press it so it's closed, place it on the wire above the head and put a little seed bead on there. From there we're going to bend it on an angle, form the loop at the top, bringing the wire to the back, making a centered loop. Hold the loop with your chain nose pliers and bring the wire all the way around to the back. Straighten the wires. Bring the wire down the back, behind the hat. We want to hold it firmly and then bring the wire around to the front and to the back. So we have the 2 wires sticking down for the arms. Give it a good little tug so there's no slack. Straighten out the wires. Bend them in the position that you want. Take your chain nose pliers, bend the wire at a little angle. We're going to form the hands, which are supposed to look like sticks. This is the 22 gauge wire. If you use 24 gauge, I would advise using German style wire because it's half hard. This is the 22 gauge artistic wire. Clip the end flush, and we're going to form the other hand. Bend it at an angle, bend the wire back. Using the chain nose pliers, press it. We're just going to do 2 little fingers, like it looks like a stick. Bend the wire back, alternating the direction of your bends of the wire. Give it a little press. Bend it back and clip it flush. Pinch it in. Do any little adjustments you need. Bring the arm down. Now we're going to make some earring hooks, taking 2 pieces of wire. Bring the wire around. You can buy gold filled wire to match the earrings, or if you're doing silver, you can use Argentium silver wire. Forming the hooks with the bail making pliers. Bend the end at a bit of an angle. Clip the ends flush. Separate them. Give them a little press with the nylon jaw pliers. Use the burr cup tool to round off the end. Open up the hook. Place your little snowman. And there's your super cute snowman earrings. I'll link up some other tutorials for beaded snowman earrings and wire snowman earrings in the description below the video. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my earrings to make and sell ebook. I'll link it up in the description below the video. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% anytime you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.